Piazza agglomerata. Right. Give me some proper message I can give to Google Stitch to kind of like drive a design system or something in that area. Okay, let's build product. We should start with this. Mm-hmm. 30 minutes at yes, okay. Day agenda. I like this thing with agenda. What's your next thing in agenda? Okay, this is pretty cool. Day. Right. It's kind of like what? Why can I move it? Why can't I enlarge it? I guess we could. Open source, free. Just checking. This was my previous stuff. Alright. Good. So we have calendar kit. Let's see, React Native. Introducing calendar kit. Okay, this is different. 2x. Right. Flexible drag and drop, whatever. Expo. Okay. But it's not the same. Full calendar. 480 wood. Let's move this to another. There. And this one here. Alright, I like this one. Google Stitch. Let's go with this. Don't want the flash. Let's go with this one. Pro and for the web, please. And we don't want live. I haven't had a good experience with the live one. This one might be better. Okay. thing is that we will need a shadcn. So let's start with this one, a new project. It doesn't matter the theme because alright, let's just go with this one. It doesn't matter because we're gonna integrate any theme, so it's gonna look better. Create project. We want React. We don't want a monorepo. PMPM. Next.js for React. Let's go in Next.js. PMPM. We don't want the base UI necessarily. Radix is good. This one will be sitting here. Okay. How did it call it? Oh. Next, okay. Let's go with calendar CN. Yeah, calendar CN will do very good. Basically what we want to build here is an alternative for selecting and using calendars with shadcn, so you can easily integrate with any shadcn project. It's something that I was implementing in some of the projects, and I was like, okay, this takes a little bit of time and can be useful in some cases. Calendar CN, let's go. Okay, let's check. So we got the buttons and everything here. Okay, firstly, okay, let's go with this. Actually, should we use this codex? Actually, don't. Let's close this and we'll use either. So space. Let's go package pack. Yes. Package JSON. Okay. Let's ask. Shadcn. Sure. Just a shadcn. So. Calendar. Can select. Let's take the inspiration from here. So we have month, week, day, agenda. Month, week, day, agenda. Should use the kit to actually drag and drop within the calendar. Okay. Let's check it was dice UI, I think. Accessible components. Okay, and to actually get those components, you get the code from here, like this data table. Like, okay, so it also has Kanban. Oh, nice. When did you do that? Gauge, okay. List box, media player rating, QR code, time picker. activity. Then be delivered like a base UI. Okay, so basically we got this, and now print on dev. If it was installed, it's using localhost 3002. Oh, why is it empty there? Huh, interesting. Shadcn, I don't know why he said shadcn. This is not really good. Let's go back. You can see here that, okay, you're waiting for confirmation. Proceed. So basically we're using DND kit. Let's go here. Okay. Let's think about this. So basically we want to have a component which will basically replace this UI with our calendar CN actually. That's what we're expecting here. I just noticed something. Let's put self. Whoop. 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 Check. Just a little bit higher. All right. Better. All right. Alright, so we got this. Proceed. Continue, please. So it's using the ND kit core, okay. Let's figure out the distribution. Let's go on GitHub. Let's just create a new project. Repository calendar CN. It's available. We'll leave it at that. No template license. Should have added a license. It's okay for now. Copy this, go back. All right. What cool tools can I use beside LazyGit? Let's check codecs. The internet, what cool tools we can use similar to LazyGit. Vim and LazyGit program. Okay. Let's check for now Vim or Vante. I want the mode. Okay. For the system. Model suggestions. I don't want to always confirm input response. For me. Okay. Codecs. Use Avante AI with, and I don't want to always approve for me. No, to always be passed. Permission scan. Accept all. Alright. This is something different. It's not a project. So calendar kit is the one that we want to rework because we want a shadcn alternative for this. Okay, remove this, remove that. Stitch clearly doesn't understand. It seems like it's using material design, so this is material UI. It's looking good, but it's not shadcn. We want shadcn alternative. Maybe if we give him like an image, dashboard better. Dashboard. Now let's just give him an image like this. Okay, go back. Should have this kind of style. Okay. While it's still working, let's see. Render kit, stitch, kit. Actually, no, this is way better. Nice, yeah, this is looking way nicer. While we're working on that, let's go back. Is it nothing was changed? Process pattern, no. Git branchless. Dash. Let's check. Yes. Interesting. Okay. Present frame exact line at autoproof tool permission, yes. Or load config. Okay. Secure. Let's go here on Scavante. What? Unable to find this lint library. Why is that? Yes. I have something working here. Okay, it's 3002. Good, we have the project ready. And we have it here. Good. DND kit, it was installed. So it's looking like this. Getting there, but not quite. Where did you get? Okay, you got the green from there. It's looking very bad. It's still using the material UI. The designs are not so good. Can you generate this for our website landing page? We want to offer calendar CN. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So need to maybe add restore both app. Got the lazy git, lazy docker, not using. Lazy SQL, that can be useful. JLS, JSON browsing filter. JLS is for editing, okay. Only want, yeah, let's see. Okay, this is working here. I don't think we want this one. Let's see within this. The interrupter install, let's okay, good. Right, so now we have an empty project, nothing added. Good, let's go with. Alright. Do we want shadcn? Do we want storybook? Now ask me some questions about what I want to build. We should build this in. Should we build this in storybook? Do I want this? No, actually, let's leave it. Lazy git and this. Okay. What do we want to build? But not awesome. This is my build a address reusable primitives first. Keep a real next demo page for integration and behavior. Add storybook alongside it for API review, theming variants, drag states, and documentation. It's useful because it forces clean component boundaries. If the goal is just shipping one app fast, for a brief Adeline, yes. Question I need. So. Product feature, I'd rather go with a component library. Opinionated styled components with shadcn tokens. Nope. Not now, later. Shadcn tokens, yes, now. Should mount with the original share one event model and one drag engine, or can agenda be event model and drag engine. Move, resize, create, overlap, stacking. Yep, everything. Wait a second. Can I? Okay. So I can't do like this, alright. Yes. Yes, they need time zones 6. Oh, sure, why not? Unfortunately, theming got token disclose only slot based class overrides, full on style primitives plus token based colors and some no. Until slot based class overrides. Do we want that? Yeah, I guess 8. Something like calendar. Yes. Should be package ready. Do you want mobile to have the same dense layout, or should the agent become primary? How is it done on the other guy? Change the revenue. Calendar kit. This was it? No. This one? Okay, this one. Let's see how is it looking on the mobile. What the hell, bro? Let's refresh this page. That's how it's looking for them, huh? Okay. Let's just better. Okay, so it's like this. Not necessarily looking good. Okay. So we want this, and for the calendar I move that. Okay, so basically when I select this day, alright, it's kind of weird, not gonna lie. Mobile should yes, let's go with yes. Should have the same dense layout, but with caveat that it should what should it have? That it should show less, for that can be scrollable. Yes. And then are we targeting keyboard? Yes, we should do accessibility. Reply with library headless restyled. Perfect. Right, we shall see now. So managing a product here. Okay, so let's see, it's saying restore, install, record dependencies like the indicate, calendar date handling, implement packages. Okay. Do I want storybook? Why did you come here? I hate working on Macs. Stay here. Good. Storybook. Anything new for those guys? NCP for React. Can also do some visual tests with this, okay. calendars here. Okay, so now what we have is this. Okay. Lazy git diffs side by side. Side by side diff. How was it gonna? Theme provider, okay. Page layout. Actually, let's not go there. Let's go check. All right, so should use that. We will learn from this one. It has a very good idea on how things should work, but it's not done properly, so I will be doing it properly. Calendar kit, okay. Right. Okay, let's go codex. Is it fast? Fast, please go fast. Skills, review name for unit compact, collab, change collaboration and team difference, CP, whatever. I want to say lazy git diff. Let's add alias for git and press next time right in library surface itself. Short calendar types and date utilities first. Short calendar types and date utilities first. I'm editing the foundation layer now. Should ties calendar math, recurrence, overlap utilities, and the controller hook that will keep the view logic package ready instead of page bound. Okay. So now we wait. We look into. Let's check the history. Nothing going on there. What's up new here? Nice. I like this. Site reviewer. Why does this happen? It kind of goes in interesting. Nice, I like this pattern. This is good too. Alright, so this is more. Let's go see what Stitch did here. Stitch.cn, calendar.cn, the UI library for scheduling. Looks goes into a direction, but not necessarily the best. What's this prototype? Checking that. What's this? Oh, this is what you mean by... Okay. Let's go back. Right, so
hey, what are we designing on the calendar CN landing page?
Yes, so the landing page doesn't necessarily look like the great. It should actually use the shadcn components that I gave you in the screenshot, as you can see. And please add proper calendars, because this doesn't show. It needs to have agenda, week, day and month. If you can handle that, we are just showing a shadcn component. So that's what we try to do here. If you can, try it again, maybe have like 3 versions, so I can select which one is more proper for the direction.
On it! Let's create 3 distinct versions based on the shadcn components and those views.
Building, because I don't see it and I don't want to chat continuously with this. Build 3 versions for landing page. In this case, it should properly show shadcn. So it's making 3 versions. Okay. Stay ready. This is different. I don't. Okay. Let's... Let's check what else we have here. So we got minutes in day. This is not gonna work like that. Okay, so we got this. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I like it. Weekday, day, cannot. Okay, still got some work on those. Product design, operations, reusable calendar primitives. So you can take the designs from the shadcn from here. And if you shuffle those, they're gonna look different. Back again, back. Let's come back here. So what we did now is we have the globals. Background image. Why? Layout. Alright, let's go back, replace placeholder app. Let's check how it's looking right now. It's like this. Oof. Okay, something's kinda wrong, something's kinda right. Open month viewer, week, day, agenda. Alright, things we need to add here first. Yeah, whatever. Types, and this one I think you misunderstood. Want the diff for the, what's it called, on stage, changes to beside diffs instead of. So we can replace that. We can see the demo data. Alright, and after we fix this issue, we need to go into how these are looking, because I don't like them necessarily and they're not looking very good. And basically we can use it in shadcn, but we want to also be able to take those tokens, design tokens, and implement them there, so we can kind of change and choose the right design direction for us. Okay. So basically I'm using the Avante in NeoVim because I wanted to use this one. Right, let's see here. Why is this saying it's deprecated? Caret left is deprecated. And what should I use then? Alright, so we got those pages. They are very bad. I would never want to implement those. I won't try with Google Stitch again. We'll leave it. Okay, let's go next. Month view today. Month view. Okay, so week. Here we have a problem. How do you use? Why did you come here? Go back. Okay, let's go into this a little bit with multiple. Actually, no. I think I need to be back here, and we go like this. Space Avante. Current buffer toggle selector. Create a new ask. Create a new ask, I guess. Yep, good. And how do I go from one to another? What are you doing? I thought it was just gonna space A. Toggle Zen mode. Zen mode is the other one. Select model. Okay, an issue for this one. Codex. Write a known rule. Okay. So we don't know this one. Unknown rule at apply. Okay. The problem with Avante is that it's not necessarily easy to use multiple discussions that you might have, which kinda is bad. I don't like it then. Right, let's see, submit yes, Avante. Avante ask, toggle debug, toggle selection, select history, refresh, create a new ask, toggle suggestion, stop. This is all, Focus, I guess. Right, we got issues with the data because when we select look into this properly first. So what we want to do here is to actually look properly into how we see the items, because as you can see here, when I drag anything, it's dragging it. That's not looking very good. And also I want this design to be proper. Also the design is not looking great. Oh, I cannot add this modifiable because of this and this. Seems great for the border radius and doesn't look similar to when we drag one item. Right. Otherwise, this could work, but not properly yet. Alright, so this is just a start for our project. I'll go ahead and see how to actually make a proper workflow, because NeoVim is useful, but I see some issues. Yes, let's try to go with Z and see if Z is better in our case. Like, let's say we use NeoVim here. Can go to the components. Okay. Can we see more like this? Is Z more proper? I mean, I like the Z guys. I don't know. NeoVim or Z. I'll stick with NeoVim for now. Okay. Lazy git, perfect. Now we got a different view. So we have this one. Okay. Calendar showcase, calendars. Okay, let's see. No, no, you did not do this. Oh my god. The calendar view is crazy. Alright, so this needs to change. It needs to change, definitely. That will change. And types. Okay. What else? And we need also tests. And what else? Okay, so I'll just wrap it up here. Let's commit everything. Commit first init that broken integration with shadcn. Perfect. Push 3-4 pager. All right, thank you for this. Get delta, that's good. Yes, kill that. Page to local provider no longer crashes the model select. Okay. It does. Okay, I need to restart, but it's okay. So now to run restruct bug in browser and verify exact remote. Please don't try to go. Right. So I'll wrap it up here. I'll stream again in a bit. So we shall see then. Right. Where is the camera? The camera was not working, bro. That sucks. Right.